Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. When you hear some noise in the background, that's probably the noises from the storm Eunice. So earlier I made a video about the Phytium D2000 mini computer. Originally it was planned that it would be shipped at the end of December, but it was delayed. But this week I received the computer from Dragonbox. So now we'll try to unbox it. There's some more. Okay, and I think oops, one more. Okay. Let's see. So there's some protection. There's a description of the computer. The surface of the machine may be a little hot. So, well, ARM was usually known for its power efficiency, but with 8 cores running at over 2 gigahertz, well, apparently this thing can run hot. We have the Ethernet to USB adapter. Here is the power brick or power adapter. So here it is. Yep. So here we have the front with just the power button. Here on the side we have microphone and headphone jack, 3 USB 2.0 ports and 1 USB 3 port. That's the one with the blue plastic thingy on the back. There is HDMI, 2 more USB ports, Ethernet, but that one might not work yet with the Linux distributions, so I think this is for power. Here is some holes for the ventilation, and here on the side just some holes for the ventilation, and also on the bottom. So let's see. Now we'll plug in HDMI. And we're going to plug in a keyboard. Let's see. Whoops. Okay. So here we have the power brick. This looks like the American power plug. Well, I'm in Europe, so I have to get an adapter for that. That feels a bit loose, so I'll have to see if that works or not. Okay. So, plug it in. Okay. That's that. And I'll switch on the monitor. And let's see, what do we get? Well, we try to turn it on. Well, the fans are definitely audible. Let's see. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. No. Oops. No. Okay. External. Yep. Yeah, that's okay. Let's see. Oh. it was the other HDMI port. So as you can see, it's Ubuntu Kylin. That's a Chinese Ubuntu version. The password is just 1. And system problem detected. Well, that's not a good start. I think I'll stop the unboxing here. Yeah, I have to do some more configuration. Probably I'll try to install Debian. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you again in my next video.